Here's my iPhone running iOS 27 beta while I'm recording this video. Apple is now sending notifications to devices that requested to try New Siri and are currently on the waitlist. You can use the new Siri AI on supported devices set to English. Apple is expected to expand support to additional languages soon. You can see the compatibility details on the screen. At this time, users in the European Union are not eligible to use the new Siri AI. You do not need to install a separate Siri app. Simply find it in your app library. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Siri. As you can see, Siri Beta is now ready to use. Enable Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri. Just press and hold the side button to launch Siri. It will appear around the dynamic island or top area of the screen. Here are some additional Siri settings, including voice customization, app access, and the option to turn Siri off completely. Now, let me show you the new Siri app. On the home screen, you can view all of your previous conversations, including requests made through Live Siri and in-app Siri searches. To start a new conversation, tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner and ask Siri a question by typing or using the microphone. You can also search using your camera, photos, and files directly within the app. For example, I can look up information about a player from a photo saved in the Photos app. The Siri app provides detailed information along with sources, which is very impressive. In the same way, you can get a summary or overview of a large PDF file. Just browse to a PDF stored in the Files app and enter a prompt asking Siri to analyze it. You can do the same with images saved in the Files app. This makes working with documents much easier and faster. Siri is now available throughout the system. Option emails from the Mail app. As you can see, Siri found the emails recently received in my inbox. This can help identify subscriptions, manage expenses, and reduce unwanted services. Siri also works with the Camera app. Open the Camera app and switch to Siri mode. Now, capture a photo and Siri will provide detailed information about what is shown in the image. For example, I received detailed information about the Eiffel Tower along with source references. If something gets stuck or does not work properly, force close the Camera app and try again. In the Photos app, you may also see an Ask Siri option under the More button when viewing a photo. Enter a prompt and start using Siri directly from Photos. I am not seeing the option on this device right now, which may be a software bug, but it should normally appear here. That's it. Let me know in the comments which feature you like the most and what you think about the new Siri AI experience. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.